In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card to DHgate. We'll walk through the checkout flow so you can securely add a new card to your account while making a purchase. I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. Make sure you see the correct address in the URL bar so you know you're on the official site. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top. Type in the item you want and press enter. You can use filters like price, shipping location, or ratings to narrow things down, but the key is just to find a product you're comfortable buying. When you see something you like, select it to open the product page. Take a quick moment to review the photos, description, available options, shipping estimates, and and seller reviews. This helps avoid surprises later and ensures you're checking out with the right item and quantity. Next, click Buy Now. This takes you straight to the checkout page. If there are size or color options, confirm you've chosen correctly before you continue. Buy Now is the fastest way to reach the payment screen and is perfect for adding a card during checkout. On the checkout page, scroll to the Payment Methods section. This is where you tell DHgate how you want to pay. You may see previously used methods or options like cards and other services, but we're going to add a brand new card. Click on Pay with New Card. A form will appear for your card details. Enter your credit card number carefully, exactly as it appears on your card. Avoid extra spaces or characters if the form doesn't accept them, and double check for typos before moving on. Then, enter the expiry date. Most forms use a month and year format, often with drop-down menus. Make sure the date matches what's printed on your card so it validates correctly. Now enter your billing address. Use the address associated with your card statements, including the correct postal code and country. Matching this information helps prevent payment errors and unnecessary declines. If the site provides address suggestions, confirm they match your actual statement address. When everything looks correct, click Apply. This saves the card to your payment methods and attaches it to your current order. You should see a brief confirmation or the card appearing as a selected method. From here, you can review your order summary and proceed with the purchase using the newly added card. That's it. Your credit card is now added to DHgate through the checkout process. Follow these steps anytime you need to add another card, and always review details before applying to avoid delays. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.